In the Haitian community, the month of May is designated as Haitian Heritage Month. Why the month of May? Among other possible reasons, I find this one, which I'm about to share, to be a pretty good reason why. On May 18, 1803, the revolution leader, Jean-Jacques Dessalines, using his sword, cut the white from the French tricolor flag, red, white, blue, and then ordered his godchild to sew together the red and the blue. And that made the first Haitian flag. In it printed the words, Liberté ou la mort, which translates to freedom or death. So the Haitian flag, as we now know it, which is the red and the blue, plus the coat of arms, the flag you see behind me, was not always like this. It ended up like this. I'm going to share with you the different versions in different time periods leading this version of the flag finally. To conclude my presentation, I would like to share with you what I think the Haitian flag represents. What does the Haitian flag really represent? It represents Haiti, of course. That's the flag that represents the nation, the pride of the Haitian people, right? Not limited to just that. It represents freedom from slavery. Freedom from slavery, which means freedom for the world. Which means that it represents anyone who would not want to be enslaved by another human being. It represents freedom.